So, doon na tayo sa last lesson natin, which is segments and sectors in a circle. So, let's go with the sector. What is a sector? So, a sector of a circle is the region. So, ito yung sector natin. Ganito yung mukha niya. So, it's the region bounded by two radii, which is ito yung mga radii niya, mga radius, no? And their intercepted arc. Ito. So, bounded by its radii and its intercepted arc. So, that's our sector. So, the area of a sector is a fractional part of the area of a circle. So, tandaan natin that the area of our circle is equal to pi times r squared. Now, that is the area of our circle. Okay? So, ano nga ba yung area of our sector? So, area of sector. So, sabi nila, diba, it's a fractional part of our area of a circle. So, it is basically 360. Tapos, dito sa taas naman is yung arc. Yeah, yung intercepted arc natin multiplied by the area of the circle. Okay? So, that is area of our sector. So, it's arc over 360 multiplied by the area of the circle. So, yun siya. Okay, so try natin sagutan to. Sa book natin yung target skill. Diba? So, let's go find the unshaded region and the shaded region. Okay, let's say na meron siyang intercepted arc na 30 and then meron siyang radius na 12 cm. Okay? And circle O to. So, doon muna tayo sa area ng unshaded region. So, area of unshaded region. So, madali lang to kasi meron na tayong intercepted arc. So, the area of the sector or area of the sector natin dito is equal to 30 degrees over 360 multiplied by our pi times 12 squared, or we can write it also as 12 times 12. So, tanggalin natin yung 0 dito. 1 over 12. No? So, tanggalin rin natin yung 12 dito. So, magiging 1 times 12. So, magiging 12 pi na siya. Okay? So, 12 pi yung answer for our unshaded region. It's 12 pi centimeters squared, maybe? Is it centimeters squared? Wait. Tingnan ko. Anong units natin? Yes, it is centimeters squared. Okay, so yan yung sagot natin for our unshaded region. Now, punta naman tayo sa shaded region natin. Okay, so sa shaded region, ito yon. And yung given lang sa atin is ito walang pinagbago. So, let's say, kunin natin yung circumference ng circle, which is 360. And then we're going to minus it by 30, which will get 330. So, 330 to. So, magiging 330 over 360 multiplied by pi times 12 squared or 12 times 12. So, tanggalin natin yan. Simplify natin to. Magiging 11 over 12. So, tanggalin natin ulit. So, magiging 12 times 11. 12 times 11 is, ilan? 132. So, 132 pi cm squared for our shaded region. Okay? Ito naman, so try natin hanapin ang unshaded region natin. So we can see a right angle here, so 90 degrees siya. So 90 over 360 multiplied by pi, 15 times 15. So tanggalin natin yan, 1 over 4. So 15 times 15, 225. So magiging 225 over 4 pi, diba? So, magiging 56.25 pi cm squared. Okay? So, yung ating unshaded, so 56.25 pi cm squared. Punta naman tayo sa shaded natin. Sa shaded natin, unshaded yung isa. So, sa shaded 90, so 360 minus 90, it is so magiging 70, so 270 siya. 270 over 360 multiplied by pi 15. So tanggal magiging 3, magiging 4. Diba? Kasi yung greatest common factor nila is 9. So 9 divided by 27 is 3. 9 divided by 36 is 4. So 3 times 225, that is 675 over 4 pi. So So 168.74 pi centimeters squared. Square centimeters. Ayan. So, ayan. Next naman is a segment. Now that we're done with a sector, what is a segment? So, a segment is basically, it's also a part of a sector. So, in order to get the segment, you need to subtract. No, you need to subtract the sector. Subtract it with the area of the triangle. Okay, ito. Ito kasi sakop niya buo hanggang dito. Ito naman, ito lang yung sakop niya, iniiwan niya to. So, ang iiwanan nila is, ayan, this is a segment. Okay, that is a segment. So, a segment of a circle is a region formed by an arc and the chord having the same endpoints as the arc. So, to find the area of the segment in the figure, subtract the area of the triangle from the area of the sector. Okay? So, area of our triangle, it's equal to height times base over 2 or divided by 2. Ito naman, it's, diba, arc over 360 multiplied by the area of the circle. So, minus yan, magiging area of our segment. Yan. So, mag-share tayo ng ilang examples natin dito sa book. Okay, so hanapin natin yung area of our sector. Okay? So, I needed to change location kasi nalobot na yung phone ko. So, area of the sector again is area of the circle minus the area of the circle minus the area of our triangle, diba? Or area of our segment pa pala. Area of our area of sector, no. Area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of our triangle. But before that, hanapin muna natin yung area ng sector natin. So, given ba ang ating, hindi naman. So, pero meron tayong perpendicular dyan. So, to find first the area of our sector, we need to get of course, its value. So, meron naman tayo dyan, 6 times 6 or 6 squared. So, tanggal to 1/4 times pi 6. So, 4 magiging 2. Ito ay magiging 3. Ito naman ay magiging 3. So, it's 9 times pi or 9 pi cm squared. And dito kasi ngayon, ima-minus natin yan. So, it's important na i-multiply natin siya in terms of pi. So, pi represents 3.14. No? So, ito times natin siya by 9. So, magiging 36 tapos 9. Magiging 12, 9, 18, 19. So 19 point, 19.26. Diba? 19.26 pa? 3.14 times 9. Wait, that's 36. So 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 3 is 12. 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. It's 28. 28.26. Okay. cm squared. So, yung ating area of sector is 28.26 cm squared. Next naman is hanapin naman natin ang ating area of triangle. So, again, area of triangle is just height and base over 2. So, remember, another quick, yung height and base natin in a right triangle. So, the base and height are two sides that form the right angle. So, ito yung height, ito yung base. Yan yung right triangle. So, for example, ganito yung example natin. So, ito yung height, ito naman yung base. Basta, it's two lines that create the right angle or that forms the right angle. So, dito, paano natin mahahanap? So, this is the height, this is the base. So, paano natin mahahanap yung measure ng height? So, it's very simple. This is a what? Kasi nga, it is a center. Kasi nga may ano siya, may point siya. So, that's center. So, meaning, same yung measurement ng height and base. Kasi they're both also considered as a radius. Kasi nga, from endpoint to center. So, 6 times 6 is 36 over 2. So, it's 18 pi cm squared. So, yung pi, hindi pala pi, cm squared lang. 18 cm squared. Okay, so pagkatapos niyan, yan na, pwede natin mahanap yung ating segment. So, it's equal to 28.26 cm squared minus 18.00 cm squared. So, it's 10.16 cm squared. So, that is the area of our segment. Is that correct? Yeah. 16 ba? 26. Ayan. Yeah, 10.26 pala. Okay? So, this will be the last item that we'll be answering. So, ito ay, we're going to find the area of the shaded region. So, very new sa atin to. So, anong gagawin natin first is that we need to find the area of the segment. And then, we're going to, basically, ganyan siya. Area of the segment muna. And then, yung area of the segment, ima-minus natin siya sa area of the circle. Okay? Para mahanap yung ito. So, first is the area of the segment. But before that, in order to find the area of the segment, we need to find the area of the sector as well as the area of the triangle. So, where is the sector? Yun yung naman sector dyan. But you can see na may 90 degree tayo dito. Meaning, meron tayong two lines creating our right angle. So, nandiyan yung base and height natin. So, area of the sector is equal to 90 over 360 multiplied by the area of our, of our circle. So, itong buong to, sinasabi niya, this is the diameter 12. So, divide natin yan by 2, magiging 6. Okay? So, multiplied by 6 squared or 6 times 6, I prefer. So, it's going to be 1/4. So, 1/4. So, it's going to be 9 pi centimeters squared. So, 9 pi, di ba, ang 9 pi natin, it is 28.26 cm squared. Okay? I'm gonna take note of that. So, that is our area of sector. 28.26 cm squared. Next naman is hanapin natin yung area of our triangle. So, madali lang to kasi ito yung base and height natin. And basically, they're both radius. Diba? Nasa gilid sila. So, it's 6 times 6 over 2. So, 36. Saan ko nakuha yung 6? radius. So, 36 divided by 2 ay magkakaroon tayo ng 18 cm squared. So, 18 cm squared. So, hanapin na natin yung ating, yung ating segment. So, 28.26 cm squared minus 18.00 cm squared. 2601, 10.26 cm squared yung ating segment. Ngayon, hanapin na rin natin yung area of our circle. So, the area of our circle is pi, tapos r squared, diba? So, r squared, which is radius 6 squared. So, pi times 6 squared, which is pi times 36. So, 3.16 times 36 tayo. So, it is 113.76 cm squared. That is the area of the shaded region. Ay, tama ba? 113.76. So, wait. So, that is the area of, wait, no. That's the area of our, circle. Hindi pa yan. Area of our circle pa yan. Minus 10.26, di ba? Ayun. So, magiging 103 point, is it 103? 10.26. 10.26 ba? Wait lang, I forgot na kanina. So, it is 18, diba? 18 minus 28.26. So, 18 minus 28.26, 10.26. So, 10.26 cm squared lang. 0.16. So, 13.76 over 10.26. So, 103.50 cm squared. Ang sagot kasi dito is 102.78. Pero, I'm guessing kasi, nung sinolve namin yan, ginamit namin yung calculator. But if we're going to be using the 3.14 instead of really yung pi sa calculator. So, na lang natin. Pakita ko na lang para may peace of mind ako. Okay, so 3.16 times 36, we have 113.76. So, katulad nito ng 9 times 3.14. So, meron tayong 28.26. So, 28.26 minus 18, we have 10.26. So, 113.76 minus 10.26, we have 103.5 cm in total. So, tama yung sagot natin dito if we are going to be using 3.14. Which we are kasi hindi tayo papayagan mag-calculator. Okay, so, yun na. This is the end of our math for third quarter. So, thanks for watching.